Hello, hello, and welcome to another lesson. Today we're celebrating the 4th of July with a firecracker cupcake. You can follow along with the picture on the left, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to begin down with the bottom of the cupcake liner. For that, let's just draw an oval. Doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to line up the cupcake liner. And then we'll do one down here at the bottom, a little bit smaller. And then we're going to connect the two, just like that there. Then we're going to come up and draw an arch shape. Just go straight across, just like that. And that's the cake part of it. Let's go ahead and erase some of these lines. All right, and there's our shape so far. So we have the bottom part for the liner and the top arch here for the cake. And then for this part, we're going to erase this line and we're going to replace it with ridges from the liner. So let's go ahead and just come over and draw little arches all the way across. Just like this. Come all the way across. And then on top of the cake, we're going to draw 3 ovals. Draw a large one first. All right. And draw a smaller one on top. And then one little one on top of that. And that's going to be the start for our icing. So let's go ahead and erase these lines in the center here. All right, and that's what we should have so far. If you need some time, go ahead and pause the video. If not, we're going to continue. Let's add some detail to this icing on top. So we're going to come up and draw a little point on top of this one. And then come in and draw a little curved S shape. Just like that, and erase this line here. And we're going to do that all the way down. Draw another shape here. This way it looks like the icing is sitting on top of each other. And do one more on the bottom, up and over. We can even do one coming up right in here, just like that. And then we're going to add our firecracker. I'm going to draw another little S shape. This is where the firecracker is going to be coming out of. And then draw a line up. However long these lines are is how long the firecracker is going to be. And they're kind of narrow at the bottom and get a little wider as we go up. And then once you get to your length, just connect it with an oval. Erase some of these inside lines here. Then we're going to add a stars and stripe theme to this firecracker. So draw a line right across the top here. This is going to be the blue and star part of the firecracker. And then just draw some triangle shapes. Just like that. Then we're going to do 2 stripes in red, and the center one will be in white. And then we're going to draw a wick coming out of the top of the firecracker. That we're just going to draw a curved S shape. You can do this however you like. Just come down and around. Do another one down and around. And just draw a little curve shape here, make it look like it's coming out of the top. And then we're going to draw the fire coming off the wick. We're just going to do some jagged lines here. Just like that. And again, you can do this however you like. And we're going to do a little smaller one in the center. Alright, so there's where we're at. Now we just need to add a face for him on the bottom. I can give him two eyes right in the center. Just two little ovals. The reflection. And we're going to put a big smile on him. So just come down and around and draw a U shape. Then we're just going to draw a little crease on each side for his cheeks. Then come down for the bottom part of his mouth. Add a little tongue. And then the last part, we're going to put some ridges in this liner. So that, just put some lines down. Alright, and there you have it. There is our final firecracker cupcake sketch. That's a tongue twister. Now we just go ahead and outline it and add some color. And there is our finished outline of our cupcake firecracker. Now you can go ahead and add some color if you like. Alright, here's our finished picture. We hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you'd like to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing to support the channel. And remember, be kind, work hard, and keep drawing, and we'll see you next time. Thanks!